everyone! Are you ready to cook? Today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious vegan hummus. Super quick and easy to make. Hummus, which in Arabic simply means chickpeas, though the dish involves several other ingredients, is eaten across the Middle East, and each country is fiercely proud of its version. While several countries lay claim to this iconic dish, many scholars believe that it originated in Egypt way back in the 13th century. At this point, I think it's fair to say that America has fully embraced hummus. You can find entire refrigerated shelves devoted to it at most supermarkets, and cafes that otherwise have nothing resembling Middle Eastern food serve up some kind of hummus appetizer. I personally love it with pita bread, or my current obsession, pita chips for dipping. Once you've had scratch-made hummus, it'll be hard to go back to pre-made. Luckily, if you've stocked up on ingredients, you can whip up the fresh stuff in less time than it takes to run to the store. So let's get into it. This recipe implies 0 minutes of cooking time. Yep, you heard it. And only 10 minutes of prep time, and you can have 6 to 8 servings. You will need a food processor or blender, measuring cups and spoons, and a mixing bowl. The ingredients are 2 cans of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 4-cup of tahini, 1 4-cup of lemon juice, 1 4-cup of olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt to taste, and water as needed. The directions are pretty simple. Add the chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, cumin, smoked paprika, and salt to your food processor or blender. Then process the mixture until smooth and creamy, adding water as needed to reach the desired consistency. Taste it and adjust seasonings as needed. And finally, transfer the hummus to a bowl and refrigerate until ready to serve. Now, invite a few friends over and enjoy a healthy, flavorful snack that goes back hundreds of years. That's an experience that will never get old. If you want to learn more, visit cookingwithjade.com. Until next time.